In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your calendar in a Microsoft Outlook email. Fast 2025 guide. We'll do this right inside Outlook on the web. So start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook. Sign in with your account and make sure you're using the correct profile if you have both personal and work or school accounts. Once you're in your inbox, switch over to Calendar. You can find the calendar icon in the left sidebar or along the bottom of the screen, depending on your layout. This takes you to your calendar view, where you can see all your schedules. On the left, you'll see a list of calendars like your main calendar and any additional ones you've created. Hover your mouse over the calendar you want to share. A set of three dots, often labeled More Options, will appear next to it. Click those three dots to open the menu, then choose Sharing and Permissions. This is where you control who can see your calendar and what they can do with it. A panel or pop-up will open asking for the person you want to share with. Type the email address of the person or group you want to give access to. Double check spelling so the invite goes to the right place. If you're sharing with multiple people, you can add them one at a time here. Outlook will usually suggest contacts as you type, which helps avoid typos. After entering the address, choose the permission level. You'll see options ranging from very limited access, like only showing when you're busy, to more detailed views that include titles and locations, and in some cases, the ability to edit. If you're sharing with colleagues who just need to plan around your availability, a view-only option is usually best. If you're collaborating closely with a teammate or an assistant, you might allow editing so they can help manage events. Pick the level that matches how much control you're comfortable giving. When you're ready, click Share. Outlook will send an email invitation to that person. They'll receive a message with an option to add your calendar, and once they accept, your calendar will show up on their side with the permissions you selected. If they don't see the invite, ask them to check their inbox and spam folders. That's it. You're now sharing your calendar through Outlook quickly and securely. If you ever need to update or stop sharing, just return to the same sharing and permissions menu for that calendar and adjust the settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you coordinate your schedule more efficiently.